What's up guys, Keith here working on the bench tonight. Little project I wanted to get taken care of on the Gladiator. Fantastic truck from Axial. As soon as they released it, we knew we were going to get one. We've done our mods to it, just some paint jobs. We added a Traxxas Defender light rack, and we got the Night Customs roof rack sitting up top looking fantastic. But this bed rack on the back, like, yeah, it's cool, I get it, but it looks so much better once they're removed, in my personal opinion. But I just didn't want to take it off and leave the box open, which does look fine. So yeah, we wanted to change that over to a Tonneau style cover, and we found this print available from Chris Griggs or Cgrc. If you go to My Mini Factory and just punch in SCX10 Gladiator, all his files will pop up. He's got a couple different variations, but this is the one we wanted. So this is going to be a nice little bed cover. It does pop up and slide, and there is pins and grooves in the track. So once it's all bolted down to the truck, this guy will actually slide in the tracks, kind of all the way back like that. So it's pretty cool. We're pretty stoked about it. So the only thing we're going to change is once it's down, there's no way to get it up. So I'm going to put something on here so we can have a handle to pull it up by to get it rolling. I don't know if you just push it back, it might pop up. Oh yeah, actually no, we just got to push it back. So yeah, it's actually designed nicely. We can just push that back and it'll pop up on its own. So enough of that. I'm going to bolt that on and we'll pop back in when that's done. There's really nothing to show you. This is just a quick few minute video, guys. A little quick banger here for you. So I'm going to throw that on and we'll get that truck back in the camera once it's all complete. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Be sure to check out Cgrc on My Mini Factory. You can print this file yourself at home, or I'm pretty sure if you shoot him a message, you can get him to print it for you. Nice, opens up that way. You can actually open it up all the way, but it's kind of built to go halfway here. So, and the beauty about these trucks is you don't need to get inside to get the body clip done, and you still maintain having the bed on the inside, so you can put some stuff in there. Maybe haul some tools around, wheel wrench or something, put some bang around in there. But yeah, very cool. Very happy with the look of that compared to the Stalker. I'm going to get this on top of the back on top of the chassis, and we'll get some B-roll for you. Okay guys, there we go. Looking, I personally think 100 times better. You still got the Tonneau cover on the back. You just push in the middle, she pops open like that. Like I said before, wasn't the greatest fan of the bed rack, and this nice little unit latches in with the pins, sticks in there, rides nice. There you go, riding perfect. Looking great. You can put stuff on top of it if you wanted, but we just wanted that Gladiator truck look to the Jeep finally. So that is looking great, guys. We'll throw up a trailing video of this guy pretty soon. We get a lot of crappy weather up here in Canada right now, so stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one.